Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Summer heat is here. So we're looking at the hot Phoenix racial summers. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Legends series Excalibur Phoenix Racial Summers. And it comes, as you can see, with a comic accessory of Excalibur. Okay, so that's her, front and center in the cover. And you can see she comes with an alternate head and two arms and a flame effect. Ooh. So it's been a while since I opened like a Marvel Legends figure. And I got this for the price that I wanted. So I was holding out to buying this particular figure. Okay, so it's part of this series. I only needed two, so and I got them. And let's take a look at this the cover, a bigger version now. You can see Captain Britain, Megan, Shadowcat, and Nightcrawlers. Okay, Excalibur in their own monthly series. Let's take a look at Phoenix Racial Summer's brief description. In Excalibur number 1, the once mutant hunting hound from a dark alternate future, Phoenix Racial Summers, teams up with fellow former X-Men to stop Mojo's werewolves. Okay, so they need to really identify Racial Summers because there's obviously a lot of Phoenix, okay, Jean Grey, etc. Okay. So anyway, before we look into unboxing this particular figure, let's look at Heroclix figures of Phoenix Racial Summers. Okay, and I have here three figures that I want to highlight. Okay, we have the Racial Summers painted and the sketch variant, unpainted. For this was released during the X-Men X-Men Regenesis, I think Cyclops versus Wolverine, something like that. Okay, so you can see her. Okay, this one she still has the hound face, the scarred up hound face, I guess. She's flying around. Okay, I don't know how to paint, so that's why this is kept as a sketch variant. Okay, so we're not gonna go through her cards. Okay, because again, it might be Phoenix, but it's not directly the same as the Phoenix Marvel Legends figure. She now has a different costume here. So, but for those of you who are racial fans, this is a must-have. The other Phoenix, as you can see here, other racial summers is during the X of Swords set. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause. You can pause the video if you want. Okay, but we're not gonna look at this. She's still wearing red, okay, to be aligned with the Phoenix, but it's not the one suit red figure or costume that he has in the Marvel Legends. Okay, so she's screaming like she's on fire. Okay. But what I want to emphasize is the other Phoenix, the one closest to this particular figure, the Phoenix from the Wolverine and the X-Force. Okay? I say closest because this is part of the Excalibur team base. And you can see her here at the back with all her glory, all phoenixing out. Okay? So, claiming that she is the one and only Phoenix! Yeah! For the Excalibur. Anyway, we'll keep it on the background. And can we put it like this? No, Lockheed. Okay, so this one always gets displaced. Lockheed. Okay, but it's fine. Okay. I also want to emphasize this particular team base because in the comic cover that we saw, okay, this is the complete Excalibur lineup. Megan, Captain Britain, Nightcrawler, and Shadowcat. Okay. So anyway, let's take a look at her card. She has the Excalibur, Future, Phoenix Force, Starjammers, and X-Men keywords. Okay. So, and a lot of no special power. There. Special damage power is psionic purging. Phoenix can use outwit and shape change. She can use outwit normally, or she may choose a power and counter that power on all opposing characters within range and line of fire. Okay, so area of effect, area outwit's always gonna be good. Okay, so and as a team base T003 Excalibur, this team character's powers and abilities can be countered, meaning protected outwit, I guess. Modify the team character's damage value by +1. Okay, so Rachel Summers is the real name. Rachel Gray as well, significant appearance, Uncanny X-Men, number 199, 1985. Okay, let's take a look at the flavor text of her other powers. Hunting mutants. Okay, that's her past from a failed future. Running shot, hound training, charge, psionic drill, pensai, phoenix effect, poison, molecular level, TK, precision strike, should have been TK, psionic offenses, impervious, okay. I read your mind, super senses. A lot of the phoenixes are also psychic. TK shield, energy shield, deflection, chrono skimming, probability control. Okay, so especially her because she got her mind mind reading techniques from her mom. Point value is 154. So we don't have a Phoenix in modern right now. So hopefully she gets a legacy treatment, or better yet, a new figure of Phoenix Ratio Summers. Okay. But without further ado, let's take a look at the figure. We're not planning to keep the cardboard, so we're not that type of collector. We open them and we store them because we don't have a lot of space to display. So, but it is what it is. Hopefully, in the future, maybe when we're retired, we get more spaces. So, we have here the comics cover. Okay. And Marvel Legends series at the back. Okay. We have here the flame effect, flame wings accessory. Okay, I love this. Probably useful for Phoenix as well. We have alternate hands that are one closed, one open. Okay. Oops. Doesn't want to get out of there. Okay, here. Okay, and then we have the figure itself, alternate head. Let's pop it out. Okay, so this is her hound version. Okay, so a little bit sad. And then this is her now, all good now. So let's pop her out. Okay. And let's try to pose her as the team base. Okay, that means hands up. There you go. And then one leg in front. Okay, as if flying. Then we need to put the Phoenix effect. Where do you put this? On the hands? How do you put this? Okay, we have to remove the hand. Okay, let's remove it so we can put it nicely. Ooh, I'm loving this figure. Okay, the other hand has to be removed. Slip in that other Phoenix effect. And then we have her. Whoosh. Ooh, really, really fun. Am I doing it right? I don't know. There you go. But that is her. Okay. And let's see. Side by side with a Phoenix. Okay. And the side. Back. And the other side. Okay. So I really love this figure. Head is also tight. She looks pretty. Okay. So short hair though. But what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until the next video, bye. Let's fly.